Today I will show you how to find deleted branches on GitHub. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I want you to do is log into your GitHub account. This is what the dashboard should look like once you're done logging in. Now what we're going to do is we're going to navigate to the far right of the screen where we see the icon that displays our display image. Under that, we're going to click on repositories. Now in repositories, we're going to look for the repository that we want to view the deleted branches for. So we click on this repository. Once the repository loads, on the right under the about header, we can see activity. We click on activity. Now this is going to give us all the activities that has happened under the repository, but what we want is the deleted branches. So we're going to come to where it says all activity. We click on it and we come to branch deletions. Now this is going to show us the branches that have been deleted, and that's how you find the deleted branches on GitHub. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. On to the next one. See ya.